5 SUVs that never break down. Buy once, drive forever. What if I told you some SUVs can quietly reach 400,000 miles without destroying your bank account? Sounds crazy, right? The average SUV owner spends thousands every year on repairs, insurance, and depreciation, but a few models are built differently. Today, I'm counting down 5 SUVs that owners keep for decades because they simply refuse to quit and stay until the end. It's because I'll also share 2 popular SUVs that might drain your wallet faster than you expect. Let's get started. Number 5, Subaru Outback. This is the SUV that transformed the boring family wagon into an all-weather adventure machine. Standard all-wheel drive, excellent safety ratings, and engines that regularly pass 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. The Outback isn't flashy, and it won't win drag races, but mechanics will tell you these cars rarely live in repair shops. Owners who follow simple service schedules often see 250,000 or even 300,000 miles. Insurance companies also love the Outback thanks to its strong crash test scores, which helps keep monthly premiums lower. If you're shopping used, the 2020 model year is a sweet spot. You get modern tech, advanced safety features, and proven reliability, all without paying new car prices. It's not exciting. It's dependable, and sometimes that's exactly what you want. Number 4, Toyota RAV4. There's a reason this SUV is one of the best sellers on the planet. Toyota built it to be simple, durable, and easy to live with. Older RAV4 models regularly push past 300,000 miles on their original drivetrain. No drama, no massive repair bills, just oil changes, brakes, and basic upkeep. It may not feel luxurious, but financially it's one of the smartest buys you can make. Strong resale value means you lose less money over time, and maintenance costs stay low. Here's the real advantage most buyers overlook. A RAV4 doesn't just save you money while you own it, it also pays you back when you sell it. That's something many SUVs can't offer. Number 3, Honda CR-V. This SUV has quietly built one of the strongest reliability reputations in the industry. Some early models from the 2000s are approaching 500,000 miles, and that's not exaggeration. The CR-V delivers excellent fuel economy, strong safety scores, and incredibly low ownership costs. It's practical, predictable, and built to survive daily commuting, family road trips, and everything in between. Yes, it's not thrilling to drive, but what it offers instead is peace of mind. Owners routinely hit 200,000 miles with minimal repairs. Insurance premiums stay reasonable. Resale values remain strong. If you want an SUV that simply works year after year, the CR-V is hard to beat. Number 2, Lexus LX. This is where luxury meets legendary durability. Underneath the leather seats and premium badge is the same platform used by one of the toughest vehicles ever built. These SUVs are famous for reaching 400,000 to 500,000 miles, especially in harsh environments. Yes, fuel economy isn't great, but reliability is on another level. While many luxury SUVs become money pits after a few years, the LX just keeps going. Owners often report nothing more than routine servicing for hundreds of thousands of miles. Depreciation is also surprisingly low. Used models hold serious value because buyers know exactly what they're getting. If you want comfort, capability, and longevity in one package, the LX is about as close to bulletproof as SUVs get. Number 1, Honda HR-V. Don't let its compact size fool you. This little SUV delivers impressive durability, excellent fuel economy, and extremely low running costs. Owners regularly report 150,000 to 200,000 miles with almost no major repairs. Because it's smaller, insurance is cheaper. Fuel costs stay low. Maintenance is simple. It won't impress your neighbors, but it will impress your bank account year after year. For daily driving, in light road trips, and long-term ownership, the HR-V proves that small can still be mighty. Avoid section. Now, before you buy, a quick warning. Some recent Jeep Wranglers have struggled with electrical problems, suspension issues, and steering instability. And certain 2010s Ford Explorers suffered costly transmission failures well before 100,000 miles. Buying the wrong SUV can erase years of savings. so always research model years carefully. When you calculate total ownership cost over 10 years, reliability becomes far more important than horsepower. A single transmission replacement can cost several $1,000s. An engine rebuild can cost even more. That's why the SUVs on this list aren't just popular. They're proven through real-world mileage records and long-term ownership data. Subaru Outback owners frequently report extremely low major repair rates when maintenance schedules are followed properly. Parts availability is strong, and independent mechanics are familiar with the platform, reducing labor costs over time. Toyota engineers designed the RAV4 with conservative tuning. That means fewer stressed components and longer drivetrain life. Many fleet vehicles use the RAV4 for this exact reason: durability. Honda's CR-V benefits from decades of refinement. Rather than radical redesigns every few years, Honda improves the platform gradually, increasing reliability year after year. The Lexus LX is built for extreme conditions in markets around the world. Vehicles designed to survive desert heat and rough terrain naturally perform well in everyday driving. Even the smaller Honda HR-V benefits from mechanical simplicity. Fewer complex systems often translate into fewer unexpected failures. Here's the bottom line. The smartest SUV isn't the flashiest. It's the one that stays out of the repair shop, keeps insurance costs low, and holds its value over time. Reliable SUVs don't just save you money, they give you freedom. Freedom to travel, freedom from constant repairs, freedom from financial stress. So tell me, which SUV would you trust for the next 10 years? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want more smart car picks that protect your wallet and help you buy once and drive forever, hit subscribe.